Hello guys, in this video I will show with you how you can potentially view someone private inventory. And now first you want to do guys is find a person. So I'm just go select some random people, just ICP. From here you want to do go to click on three dot up here, and you can see their inventory. I can see their inventory like usual. Now if you have privated something and you want to see, there are little kind of the trick that you can potentially see some private stuff. And what you can do guys is back to profile and go to favorite right here. Now inside favorite you can see I will show with you how have a favorite, even they have privated the item, and you can potentially see some their privated item. And by going the theory and checking favorites, that is basically you can do guys. Enjoy this video. I have this video helpful for you. Thanks for watching. See you on another video soon. Don't forget subscribe to my channel.